Hello guys, we have this old Briggs and Stratton tiller here. It's a 3.5 horsepower. I have no idea what the year is. But anyways, I took some parts out. The air filter was completely destroyed, but I took that out like maybe 4 days ago. Oil was, basically oil is not supposed to be up in this part. It's supposed to be down here, the crankcase. And that's how much oil we have leaking out of the exhaust here. So we paid $30 for it. The original price was $50. We said since it's not running, you can sell it to me for $30. Is it supposed to sound like this? I'm just curious because I don't know what's supposed to make that noise at all. That much oil has came out of it so far. So, thanks for the help, guys.